Hello lovelies, you're welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Precious RGK. I hope everything is fine with you and your family. I hope you're having a nice time. I hope you're smiling as you're watching this video. As always, let us thank God for His goodness. Let us thank God for everything because we know abundance flourish in a grateful heart. Let us thank God because we know nothing is possible without God. Let us thank God for everything God has done in our life. On this channel, I do a lot of DIY natural hair care videos. I will show you how to grow your hair using your own ingredients in the kitchen. I'm also into skincare products and children protective hairstyle. All my videos are natural and you can do them at the comfort of your home. There are no chemical added. They are simple, easy, and very effective. If you have been trying to grow your hair and it's not working, you're experiencing hair breakage or any of these hair challenges, you don't have a problem. Just subscribe to my channel and follow all my videos. Your hair will grow longer, thicker, and will shine. Please darling, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do your girl a favor by subscribing to my channel and also click on the notification icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much. Your girl is super grateful. Thank you for always coming to watch my video. Thank you. So guys, in today's video, I will show you how to get rid of itching scalp and grow your hair massively using only ginger and onions. This remedy is super effective when it comes to growing your hair and getting rid of itchy scalp. So how do we go about preparing this remedy, this recipe? All you need is your one medium of onion and ginger. So you get your ginger and onions and peel it. After peeling, you grate it just as I'm doing on this video. So I'm grating my ginger first, then followed by my onions. Guys, you can use blender if you're not comfortable using a grater, but please when blending, don't add water to it because you need only the natural juice from the ginger and your onions. The combination of onions and ginger helps to treat scalp infections such as drandruff. It helps to get rid of itchy scalp. It helps to solve all your hair challenges that is making it not to grow longer and thicker. The combination of onions and ginger, I cannot begin to mention them all, but onions and ginger are very good. If you have not been adding it to your hair regimen, you need to start introducing onions and ginger to your hair regimen as it helps to solve many scalp problems, many scalp challenges such as shading of hair, breaking of hair, and what have you. So I'm done grating my ingredient now, my onions and ginger. I will pour it in my serving cloth to get only the juice. Guys, no matter how smooth you blend your ginger and onions, always sieve it. Sieve it because there's no way you can blend it so smoothly that there will not be particle. So I am sieving my own now using my serving cloth. Here is my sieve, my filtrate, the particle I got after I have sieved it. You don't need this particle, you just have to dispose it. And there is my juice. This is just the onions juice. So I adding 10 ml of my coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, guys, but make sure you add oil because onions tend to dry our hair. So you add oil. I always add honey, so I'm adding 5 ml of honey to it, and I'm adding 2.5 of my lavender essential oil also. This part is optional, guys. This part is optional. The honey, the lavender essential oil, and my tea tree oil is optional. If you don't have them, don't go and break the bank. Your remedy will work very well. So when you're done adding all the ingredients, you just stir it to mix all the ingredients together. Now I'll pour it in my spray can, my spray bottle. So here is it. I'll go about to shake it again to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed properly. So how do we apply this recipe to our hair? Guys, my hair is 2 months and 3 days today. You can see my hair length already. I think for 2 months old, my hair is doing very, very well. I cut my hair while trying to remove my artificial lock. So that's the reason I cut my hair. It wasn't equal, and I have to cut my hair, knowing very well that my products won't take time to grow my hair back. So if you have a longer hair, you have to section your hair into different parts to make sure this recipe gets to your scalp, because we are very concerned about inching scalp, getting rid of dandruff and what have you. If your hair is short like mine, you can just spray it. So you apply this recipe to your scalp and your hair, and when you're done, you massage it very well. Guys, I always say massage. I did not say you should use all your force to hit your hair. So you massage it gently, just as I'm doing on this video. Guys, this is the first day I cut my hair. You can see it. And here is 2 weeks old. My hair is 2 weeks old here. And here is 6 weeks old. You can see. And today my hair is 2 months old. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do your girl a favor to subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for always coming to watch my channel. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos, for liking, for sharing. I am super grateful. And also don't forget to come and give your feedback at the comment section. I want to hear from you how this recipe work on your hair, if it worked the same way as my own, because I'm very satisfied with it. When I used it, I was able to get rid of all my inching scalp, and it make my hair to grow very well. So let me know how it work on your hair when you apply this recipe on your hair. Guys, when you're done applying this recipe on your hair generously and massaging it very well on your hair, you will leave it for 1 hour. Yes, 1 whole hour. So you cover your hair using anything, charcoal, anything to absorb heat. You cover your hair for 1 hour, and after 1 hour you wash it off using a mild shampoo. So you can see I am done applying this recipe on my hair now. So I will have to cover it using my shampoo. You can see it already. So guys, thank you again. Thank you for coming to watch my videos. Thank you for always liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything. I am very grateful. Thank you. God bless you.